Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple corn dog recipe in Grow a Garden new update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have just cooked up the corn dog. Okay, as you can see, now I got corn dog. I'm going to go to my food item here. Okay, and then this is the corn dog I have just cooked up with my cooking kit, and I'm going to show you the recipe for this corn dog. So to get the corn dog guys, you will need corn, of course. Okay, you can submit your corn. Oops, wait, let me collect the ingredients first. Okay, and these are the ingredients that you need to cook the corn dog. You will need corn, pepper, and also coconut. This is the simple ingredients that you can try to get the corn dog guys. And I'm going to show you the alternative. Wait, I'm going to show you my garden guidebook. Okay, I'm going to go to the food and select corn dog here. Alright, and this is for the alternative. You will need corn, of course, and then the bell pepper or pepper, cactus, taco fern, mushroom, glowshroom, amber lily, or the bone blossom if you want to get the prismatic hot dog. And then for the stick, you can use nectarine, kiwi, avocado, sugar apple, pear, dusk puff, lucky bamboo, cacao apple, sakura bush, giant pine cone, amber heart, glow pod, bamboo, rhubarb, and mango, glimroot, mangosteen, peach, coconut, feljaw, and spiked mango. You can try the combination of the ingredients I have mentioned. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!